Welcome back to my channel. Today there's a new toy. Let's unbox it and check it out. Okay guys, this is my new toy, the Airpods Pro 2. From the outlook, from the box itself, I don't see any difference as compared to the previous model. The only difference I can see here is Airpods Pro 2 as written on the box and is replacing the plastic wrap to a paper strap as we know. Let's unbox it now. Okay, I'll be tearing off the paper strap gently. Wow, it's healing. I like the feeling of unboxing. It's amazing. Yes, I've done it. Okay, take a look at what is inside the box. 1, 2, and 3. And then, okay, it's the user manual. Let's put it aside first. Wow, this is the main thing. The Airpods Pro 2. Perfect. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, it's the charging cable and the ear tip. Yes, it is. Let me unbox it and see what's inside. Change the angle a little bit. Yes. Oh, nice. Ah. There is an additional size given, the additional XS size for the smaller ear, I suppose, and the medium size, I assume it is inside the AirPod. Yeah, okay. Let's put it back. Charging cable, still Type-C to Lightning, yeah. As we all know, there's still no USB Type-C yet. There we go, and the box. User manual? Not really interested. Let me put it back. Take a first look at this new Airpods Pro 2. From the outlook itself, it doesn't seem any different compared to the previous Airpods Pro. I have both putting side by side. You can see there's actually not much difference, but I can feel a bit heavier on the Airpods Pro 2 as compared to the previous model. I heard it's about 11%. Yeah, should be not much difference. On the bottom, for the new model, that is for the Find My AirPod function. Find My function, I suppose. Yes. This will help if you have misplaced your Airpods Pro. And okay, let me remove the plastic wrap before we can have a nicer look. Oh, the sound is so healing. Wow, perfect. Let me gently remove it from the plastic wrap. Amazing. On the side of the Airpods Pro, it comes on the new model. Of course, it comes with the lanyard loop for those who would like to use a lanyard with your Airpods Pro. This is a new features for you. And on the left, nothing different. The rest should be pretty much the same. And let me open it up. Wow. Okay. Feels so premium. Take it out from the previous model and then do a quick comparison. On the most obvious difference will be on the vent the new vent is now placed on top of the AirPod as compared to the previous model, which is a bit on the left. In terms of the appearance, if you put it on your ear, it doesn't look any different. Or I should say, it doesn't look much difference. People probably won't notice if you're using the new or the old AirPod Pro. But if you take a look at the deeper, you probably will notice the position of the vent is a bit different as compared to the previous model. And you see, this is the previous model is more towards the side, and the new one is on the top, as well as the old model, the proximeter is on the bottom, and the new one it replaced with the skin sensor on the top. Yeah. And let me put this aside. And the new AirPod Pro, there is a new features which you can control the volume using this to slide up and down to control the volume. Yeah, this is pretty impressive as compared to previous one. Then you have to manually control it over the phone. Then we put it side by side and see if you can notice any difference. Not really. Physically, I don't think it's much shorter. Let me take a look. Yes, it is slightly shorter if you compare it in such position. Yeah, it's slightly shorter for the old version. It's slightly shorter on the newer version. I'm sorry. Amazing. Let me put the old one back to the. You see? Alright. Okay, let me try to connect the new AirPod to my phone. Okay, I try to turn it on. Alright. Is it detected? Yeah, AirPod Pro. Connecting. Okay, skip. Not now. Set up later. And it's done. It's pretty amazing. So simple. Just few steps I have done the setup between my new AirPod Pro and my phone. That's it. It's ready to use. Okay, I will make a comparison on the next one to see what is the real difference between the new AirPod Pro and the old AirPod Pro. Let's see what's the result. Stay tuned. This is all I have for you in this episode. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any new update. This is Anders. See you on the next one. Signing off.